Tanya.
Good morning.
And welcome to this interview in Slush.
Yes, fabulous to be here. Thank you for having me part of this.
Can you please introduce yourself shortly?
Sure, absolutely. Tanya Marvin-Horowitz. I'm managing partner and founder of CAPE, which is a US-based fund, but also now full-time partner for Butterfly Ventures, which is based here in the Nordics. So we are a seed fund that we invest here locally across deep tech, so research, science-based technologies across the Nordics, and really get in kind of early, really work with the founders. We concentrate on smart manufacturing, concentrate on IoT, Industry 4.0, human-computer interaction, a lot of what we discussed today. So it's very exciting to have this discussion today.
Yeah, about this discussion, you were participating in the roundtable discussion about how should manufacturing executives and leaders prepare themselves for the digital transformation. What was the main takeaways from that discussion?
I think the larger the corporation, I feel like the problems seem to multiply. It's what I have seen not only in my business as a venture capitalist, but also here today. We had obviously very different companies in different sectors, but all having similar problems, especially in supply chain management, it seemed, and that seemed to be obviously first and foremost, but also the larger just problem of digitization, how to transfer the legacy systems basically into a digital environment, and being able to utilize technology, whether it comes from internal or external sources, right? In terms of platforms and human-computer interaction and AI and algorithms that can potentially help. But we discussed data, and I think that's the next big. How do you really capture that data and really analyze that data to be able to be utilized? And I really see that every company here was very different with their problems. So it's almost like you need a customized solution, but I think eventually it will come together as a scalable platform. At least that's my hope, or our hope as a venture capitalist. But I think also too, something that a lot of these legacy or older, I'll call older businesses, manufacturing businesses, as they digitize, I really would recommend that they really reach out to their local startup ecosystems and really start to try to understand what those startup ecosystems and some of those technologists can really bring to their business. I know it's very difficult a lot of times for these large corporations to really bridge that gap. So reach out to the VCs, reach out to your local accelerators, reach out to the Microsofts of the world, just try to find out, how, hire somebody within maybe who is your startup person, and I really think that they will benefit tremendously from that knowledge base that comes from fresh new ideas, and be able to incorporate that hopefully.
Yeah. Thank you, Tanya, and enjoy our beautiful city, Helsinki.
I come all the time, so I do all the time.
Thank you, great to see you here.
Thank you as much. Okay.